Yo, 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 what's going on, family? How you guys doing? New week, new week, new week, new trading, and this would have been on my 3 day. This would honestly counted as a winning streak because this would have been my third day. This is how I could have won and beat Nasdaq's booty hole. Um, but I mean not Nasdaq, ES's booty hole, but unfortunately, my paper trading was just not working today, and that is honestly so unfortunate. Anyways, coming into today, I'm pretty sure I talked to my boys in my homie Liam's Discord server, but coming into today, this is really going to be a quick recap because there's really nothing else to talk about. I just beat ES's butt and my paper trading wasn't working. I took some screenshots too, just in case, some people don't believe me. But um, coming into today, we had, well, first of all, let's start off with today. Market crashed heavily during the weekend. Not heavily, but it did crash pretty decently well over the what should we call it? Over the weekend, and from there we also had this new week opening gap that honestly played into my long-term bias and was honestly playing out very, very well actually. But coming into today, my bias was honestly kind of looking bullish. My long-term bias was looking bullish because I wanted to see this new week opening gap get filled for price to continue to restore itself and to continue moving in the way that it's going to. And from that, I was thinking, I'm like, okay, long term is bullish, but in order to continue going bullish, we're gonna have to fill in some liquidity. We're gonna have to fill in some internal liquidity slash external liquidity, which is why I was bearish for the time I had took the trade, and from there I was instantly knowing, okay, we were honestly gonna be bullish for the other way out. So from there, I marked on my levels coming into today. We had um, hourly highs, hourly lows on London session. I honestly wanted the London high to get swept so the way we could fill in this little tiny imbalance right here that I eventually marked out right here. I wanted this imbalance to get filled, and we ended up filling this imbalance, which honestly played really well um into my bias of bearish and my long-term bias of bullish, and then from there we instantly shot right back up. So that was honestly what I was looking at. I wanted to see these London session highs get swept, get a retrace, get a fill into this mini imbalance right here. This mini imbalance right here because it looked pretty strong to me, and it looked like that's where price would want to draw towards. And then after that, I'd want to see a closure. Even if we closed bearish, we couldn't really fill in anything else more. I mean, we still. I mean, I don't really think there's. I don't really think price would even want to fill this for rally gap right here. I mean, considering the fact that pretty much did get filled, and there would honestly be no other. I don't think, yeah, there would really be no other like really draws on liquidity to really take out besides these, and these weren't really as strong as I was looking at. I was really looking at this hourly imbalance right here that I really wanted to see get taken out, which was honestly a part of my TP, which would have got hit if TradingView actually freaking worked. But going into today, going to the 5 minute, literally simple nipple, dimple, wimple. I'm joking, lock in. So coming in today, we had our hourly highs, hourly lows. This was honestly our levels to play off of. We had this hourly imbalance that I really wanted to see as a TP profit, and because market, well, first of all, because it was a, we had ISM manufacturing period PMI today, which honestly kind of helped in my bias, but not really. Because first of all, it was Monday, and second of all, the market crashed. I was really looking to de-risk, and when I mean de-risk, set my stop loss like a little bit more higher than what I would originally have it as, which is why this trade was a 1 to 4 RR. Um, and from that, I was like, okay, that's how my mind is gonna be in coming into today, and coming into sizing if I were to take a trade. But coming in, we literally had honestly, we're really consolidating on the 5 minute. As soon as market open, we really shot back up, taking out this hourly draw on liquidity right here. And from there, we were in bullish structure until we made this. Hello? Right here. We had this inverse rally gap right here. And then from there, we also created another bearish rally gap right here that we ended up getting a. Let's see. No, we didn't get an entry off of that. I mean, we didn't get a retrace off of that, but I was peeping that, but I wasn't really too focused on that. I was mainly focused on inverting, not inverting, but disrespecting bullish order flow. And as soon as we created this inverse for Valley Gap, I already knew, boom, we're gonna go bearish because why? We disrespected bullish order flow, and we also broke structure below this previous low, which from there equals a market structure shift to the bearish side. From there, I instantly scaled down. I trade, took this trade in class today actually. Um, Price was honestly a bit choppy, but honestly, there was really no entry on Nasdaq because my entry would have got invalidated. I mean, honestly, let's see, we had yeah, there's really nothing here to really honestly take on Nasdaq. I mean, we had this order block right here. Had this order block right here. Right here. I mean, overall my TP wouldn't even have gotten hit, but let's talk about that later after ES. So coming into ES, we literally had our 1 minute not really break because we were already in a bearish order flow, but I really wanted to mark out the time as soon as I scaled down to the 1 minute and to really look for other areas of 1 minute bearish order flow. From there, we made this 1 minute fair value gap, and from there I was looking for a retrace and a bearish closure out. What did we get? We ended up spiking really high after this, and then that's where I decided to put my stop loss above this high right here, which was been above this fair value gap. It was gonna be right here above these highs, and that's how well, that's how I would really indicate that okay, we're gonna break structure to the bullish side on the 1 minute. And from there I entered, well, would have literally entered off this candle closure right here and then take profit. Honestly would have been one solid take profit, would honestly have been two, but these were really close together. We had this hourly London low, and then we also had this hourly fair value gap that London session created. I'm pretty sure could be London, it could be Asia or Asian and London. Okay, so that was honestly my main TP. I wanted to see this fair value gap. I really wanted to see that hourly fair value gap get filled, and it ended up did filling to my whatchamacallit, to my extent, not extent, but to my satisfaction. And then from there, this was the trade that would have definitely been taken and definitely would have won. Literally would have won this trade like 5 minutes later, 4 or 5 minutes later, give or take. And from there, we also wiped out some other sell side liquidity as well. Other sell side, other low resistance sell side liquidity because there was really nothing high time frame external to really take out besides these lows in this hourly fair value gap that I really want to see get filled. And then other than that, price just instantly Diddy wicked, Drake wicked, whatever you want to call it, up to the upside, up to the bullish side, broke structure on every single time frame, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30 minute, and continued its bullish structure to fill in this new week opening gap. And yeah, that's pretty much it. On Nasdaq, there was really no trade entry, honestly. I mean, we could have had this bearish order block retrace into that. Um, probably. I mean, to be fair, we had this as soon as I marked out, as soon as I scaled down to the 5 minute on ES, I scaled down to 1 minute on Nasdaq as well. This is where I marked out at the time. We also had this 1 minute bearish order block that we ended up, not order block, fair value gap that we ended up getting a retrace back into, tap back into, and honestly, that could have been a calm little piece right here. Say we would have entered like from here, that is longs. Say we would have entered like from like here, because that's the close. Could have put stops like maybe like right here, especially because it's Monday. De-risking is always good. DP would have been right here at, I'm pretty sure these are 5 minute, yeah, 5 minute lows right here. This 5 minute low right here. Overall, price would literally not have hit my take profits at all. Maybe it would have hit take profit 1, which would have been London lows right here for a 1 to literal 1.05. But overall, Nasdaq was not looking, at least not in my favor. I was mainly favoring ES. It looked really cleaner, really better. And overall, I won the trade. So GG's. This would have been this technically would have classified me officially on a winning streak, and would have been my third day. But yeah, first trade of February, starting the day off good. Is it my first trade is February? Yeah, first trade is February. I thought Friday was the first, but first trade is February. Doing pretty good. Thank God. Thank the knowledge that God has been blessing me with so far. Thank the knowledge that I've just been learning with the markets and everything, back testing, you name it. We'll really see how the rest of the week plays out, how the week plays out. Hopefully paper trading could actually work next tomorrow. Um, Before I show the screenshot, what is tomorrow news related? Okay, Jolt's job opening. I haven't seen that one in a minute. And then let's see, Wednesday we got NFP. Okay, unemployment claims. Okay, NFP Friday. It was gonna be a very volatile week to say the least, and we'll see what this week gives us. Honestly, before I dip, this was honestly so unfortunate. Literally, hold on. Let me bring up my OBS. Wee you. Okay. Like this screenshot was honestly so annoying. Hold on. I had to send this to like two of my homies. Paper trading maintenance. Literally because this is literally taken today at, can't even see the time, but 9:57. Literally like when I was about to enter the trade, or right when my trade was commencing. Um, Very, very unfortunate, but it's just the way of the game. My forehead looks really big, but I promise you it's not big. Line up looking crispy. Let me stop. Let me stop. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully tomorrow our trading could actually work. And yeah, appreciate you guys for the subscribers. Appreciate you guys for the support on TikTok as well. Please, if you guys haven't, TikTok down in the description. I don't really use Twitter. Twitter's really for crypto stuff. I haven't really been tapped into crypto lately. I just mainly been focusing on one thing, and that's really day trading, because I want to become. This is really what started the whole, spark of entrepreneurship. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. If you guys would like to take the time out of your day to be on my um TikTok, tiktok.com/easeontrades, or just easeontrades on your phone. Same thing as the YouTube. I appreciate the 15 subscribers. Let's keep growing this small community. I'm rocking with you guys. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Bye.